Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's a thunderstorm just about to come into my area. So here's, like, I guess you want to call it the calm before. Hope you can see the flashes of lightning. Sadly, there's like the light here blew out, so it's kind of hard. But you can't hear the thunder rumbling. Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, that's a good one. It's getting closer, folks. Getting closer. I just checked the radar. It is like right at the lake. It is like right about to come on shore. And there goes the lake. Okay, feeling raindrops. Woo-hoo-hoo! Hope you guys saw that. That was crazy. Okay. Drops of rain is getting more intense. Starting to come down. That was a beautiful. Real quick. There you have it. Thunderstorm in my area. Enjoy it.